Hi Debbie Door Designers, thank you for joining us today. And there's a reason I call you my designers. When I do a show, I realize that you are the people that influence me and inspire me to go home and make new pieces because of how you put it together. So thank you right off the bat. I'm Debbie Door, in case we haven't met, and this is Ginger, who's helping me out today, and we are going to layer today. So my first piece that we're going to layer with, they are brass rings from a Nigerian money belt. So I buy the money belt and I take the leather strips and cut them to get the rings. I know that sounds crazy. So also, just to give you an idea about the sequence in my series, I use the sequentially 4 and 7 in almost all of my pieces. As a lot of you know, I'm a custom clothier and was sanctioned by the NFL in 2005 and started my jewelry line for Deanna Favre, who is married to Brett Favre, who had the retired number of 4. So I always remember how I got started, and 7 happens to be my biblical number. If you ever want to hear my story, I will tell you more about it. Just send me a message on my website. So there's my 4 and 7. So you've got 4 and it's linked together with 7. Now I'm going to do a layered piece. This is one of my newer lariats. I just started it maybe a month ago, and it's on a fringe chain. It can be worn long and knotted, but on Ginger, just because we have long already, I doubled it like a scarf, like you would a scarf, just so that I could figure out the position that I wanted it to be, so that it juxtaposes nicely with the longer length. And I think it's just a great soft statement. So now I'm going to add another layer. Here's my incremental 4. And these are hammered African beads. They're really hard for me to find, so when I find them, I just go crazy. I love them. So I love this idea. It's simple, but it's not too busy. And I love the bronze and how they kind of coordinate, and they're a cohesive look together. So that's one of my favorite looks. It's my medieval influence right now. So thank you for joining us today. I look forward to seeing you again and seeing you on the next series. So have a great day. Bye-bye.